Well, check it out, everybody. I got my vapor. This thing is pretty badass. This thing set the temperature. You can set the watts. Yeah, shit, man. Temperature. You know, you can set it by the watts and all that shit. The strength. You know, it's now. Look, man. I was gonna sit there and hit the sun bitch, and blow a big ass cloud for you, but I'm gonna be straight ass honest with you. The coils I have on here now, they can go up to 220 watts. I set it at 60. Set it at 60 on a hard hit. Okay, this is about 10 minutes ago. Uh, Never in my life have I ever coughed, and for about 3 or 4 minutes, man, I about coughed my fucking head off. So, needless to say, I set the settings to 50 watts to normal hit instead of hard hit. Um, Still learning this thing, but this thing is, man, it's heavy. And this is the Alien Beast mod. Man, this is badass, guys. And now look, I promised I was going to sit there and take a hit, and all that shit, but give me a little time. I quit smoking, man. This arrived today in my mail. This is what's going to help me quit smoking. So, as soon as my head stops spinning, I'll go ahead and I'll take that hit, and show you guys how strong this is. And believe me, man, this motherfucker, man, is one bad motherfucker. I mean, this is my first mod. I've tried the vape pens and all that shit. Those are weak. This is for the big boys. So, here shortly, like I said, as soon as my lungs get out of shock and my head stops spinning, I set it down to 55 from 60 to normal hit. This is what I did. And anyways, I'm gonna do another video of me taking a hit off the sun bitch and blowing the cloud. But yeah, add 11 to 1 here, man. Love you guys.